Very good afternoon. I am Prakasam, working as a assistant professor in CSE department in KSR College of Engineering. I am going to give some introduction about coupling and cohesion. We'll see about coupling and cohesion. So, where we are using this coupling and cohesion means in a software program. So, we can have a modularized modules. Several modules is there. So it is based on some of the characteristics. So there are measures by which the quality of design of modules and their interaction among the modules can be measured. So these measures are called cohesion and coupling. So coupling means it is a relationship between a module. Between the module is called coupling, and relationship within a module, which is called cohesion. So the main goal is to have loosely coupled modules with a high internal cohesion. So which is highly recommended. So coupling means it is a defined as a extent to which a system or subsystem method or module connects with others. In other words, it measures interdependency. So coupling increases as a number of calls between modules increases uh, amount of shared data is large. So tight coupling and loose coupling. So you can have some types of coupling: data coupling, stamp coupling, control, common, and content coupling. So in loose coupling will be recommended. So which is less interdependency and less coordination, less information flow. So tight coupling means more interdependency, more coordination, more information flow needed. So types of modules coupling. So no direct coupling, data coupling, stamp, control coupling, external coupling, common coupling, and content coupling. So which is mainly no direct coupling means it is okay. There is no direct coupling between M1 and M2 modules. So modules are subordinates to different modules. So therefore no direct coupling between this M1 and M2. So data coupling means when data of one module is passed to another module, so it is called data coupling. So stamp coupling, two modules are stamp coupled if they communicate between this. So control coupling means exist among two modules if the data from one module is used to direct the structure of another one. So external coupling arises when two modules share an externally imposed data format, communication protocols, or device interfaces. So common coupling, two modules are commonly coupled if they share information through some global data items. So you can have M1 and M2 modules means they are sharing the global data between these two M1 and M2 modules. So content coupling exists among two modules if they share code and example a branch from one module into another module. So that is some types of coupling. So again, we'll see about cohesion. Cohesion defines the degree to which the elements of a module belong together. So cohesion measures the strength of relationship between pieces of functionality within a given module. So, for example, in highly cohesive system, functionality is strongly related. So, types of modules in cohesion mean functional cohesion, sequential communication cohesion, procedural cohesion, temporal, logical cohesion, and coincidental cohesion. So these are some types of cohesion. So functional cohesion is said to exist if the different elements of a module cooperate to achieve single function. Sequential means a module is said to possess sequential cohesion if the element of a module form the components of sequence where the output from one component of the sequence is input to the next one. Communicational cohesion means the module is said to have a communicational cohesion if all tasks of the module refer to other update the same data structure. So procedural cohesion means the set of purpose of modules or all parts of procedure in which particular sequence of steps has to be carried out for achieving a goal. So temporal cohesion includes functions that are associated by the fact that all the methods must be executed in the same time. So logical cohesion A module is said to be logically cohesive if all the elements of a module perform a similar operation, for example, error handling data. So last one, coincidental cohesion. A module is said to have coincidental cohesion means if it performs a set of tasks that are associated with each other very loosely. Okay, so that's all about some types of cohesion. So this thank you for watching this one.